Have you ever tried this recipe of life? Getting up very early in the winter morning, packing up your stuff, and just get lost in the cool winter breeze, exploring some incredible places around your city. Try this. You'll be amazed to experience the wholesome blend of gorgeous nature, spirituality, and adventure. As usual, the same weekend vacuum cheered me to search for an adventurous destination that's less than 100 kilometers from my place. Called my cousin Karthik again and scheduled a half-day trip. This time we have chosen to go towards Nagarjuna Sagar Road, discovering less explored, less crowded water bodies. Surprisingly, an ancient and not so known hill temple attracted us on our way.
It's like if Lord Venkateswara decides to reside on a place, he'll always choose a beautiful place with at least a beautiful cute hill and a thick forest around, and the view from the hill should be amazing. I think this is the criteria that he looks at actually in choosing a place to reside. And if you find an opportunity to travel towards Nagarjuna Sagar Road from Hyderabad, you'll find this temple on the right side. After crossing Ibrahimpatnam, you'll find this temple on the right side of the road.
As we went ahead, we found an amazing route with lush green paddy fields on one side and haunting hills on other side. Despite having mix of contrast feelings about the direction we have chosen, this spectacular endless road inspired us to progress further. Finally, yay! We found what we are passionately looking for.
Hi guys, I tried my best actually to get this beast into this water body. Unfortunately, the water body appears to be with low depth, but the moment we got in, as you have seen in the video, like it got stuck in the mud, and somehow with a lot of effort we had to pull it back. I heard that there is a beautiful waterfall very close to this place where we have to walk for say 1.5 kilometer on barefoot, like as we cannot take the vehicles. So I heard that that's an amazing waterfall, but unfortunately today is a weekend. I find a lot of people over there. I don't want the crowd to be captured in my videos. So guys, if you want to plan for a getaway, for a weekend getaway, this is an amazing place. You guys can come here. I'll give you the details in the description, and park your vehicles over here and then go for a trek to the nearby waterfall and enjoy the waterfall.
To be honest, let me admit that this phase of my life is seriously throwing a lot of challenges that I have never ever experienced in my life. Struggles, worries, betrayals, disappointments, and whatnot. But you know, never let anyone to put you down. Never allow anyone to break you down. I have decided to cheer up my life, explore life as I wish, and keep moving in life, as sometimes you have to be your own sunlight.